Hey, my beauties. So this creative cutie came in because she was wanting to get an amino acid treatment done before she got her braids in. There isn't necessarily anything wrong with her hair. She just wanted to kind of make sure that she helped to kind of protect her hair before she goes into a protective style. So we had a discussion about it. We decided that the amino acid would be the best way for her to go. And if you have not seen any of my videos before, the amino acid will help to restore and rebuild the hair from the inside out. So all of her amino acid links will be healed and filled in and protected and all of that good gushy stuff while she has her braids in. Now, let's be very clear. It does not protect the scalp. So if you get braids that are snatching at your scalp, I can't help you there, but I can certainly help to preserve the fibers in your hair. So I let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. I'm sorry, 15 to 20 minutes. Oh gosh, this one here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my clients. How do I get any work done? But anywho, what I was saying was that I allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. It's supposed to be 15, but sometimes I stretch it to 20. So once you're done with that, I just rinse you out, shampoo you with a moisturizing shampoo twice, and then allow like really and truly a dime size of the conditioner to sit on your hair for 5 minutes. And then that's pretty much the process. And once I rinse that out, we're ready to style as normal. And in terms of like what you can expect more manageability. I personally don't see too much straightening from the amino acid, but in terms of manageability and cutting down your blow dry time, I definitely get that from the amino acid. Your cuticles will be super tight, so your hair will be nice and sleek. You would have a lot of shine, a whole ton of shine, and it'll just be more manageable. Now, in terms of how often do you need to get an amino acid treatment, it depends on the client. So for her, because her hair didn't necessarily need an amino acid, she could get one to 2 times a year, and she would be fine, because it'll be more so for maintenance for her. But if you have more damage to your hair, you may need to get it done like once every 3 months for a hot second. And then once you get your hair back to being nice and healthy, then you could go ahead and kind of cut that down, which I've done that for quite a few clients. So as I'm flat ironing for the amino acid, you can go between 430 and 450 degrees. And for her hair is pretty healthy, but at the same time, because she's going into braids, I did use her flat iron at a 450 degrees temperature. But again, I try to make sure that I be as careful as I possibly can, depending on the client. So because of where she was going into, I tried to make sure that I was able to get her to last throughout the braids that she has within. And so as you can see, there is a ton of shine to the hair, and she normally wears her hair straight, and I did do a trim just to kind of get her nice and groomed before going into the braids. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. As that's the shine. And as you can expect for this creative cutie, it did not take me any time to tell her to shake for her slow-mo. And so she will enjoy her nice protected hair going into a protective style. So enjoy.